So the Drewery Place in Houston, Texas is where I'm at. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. And I wanted to show you a little bit about the garage. So that's an important thing to see in any city, but especially, the closer you get to like the downtown of any city, for safety purposes, you need to just have a good garage. That's just all there is to it. So the Drewery has a valet parking. Now, that's the valet parking desk. The gentleman was just here. He's actually going to get a car, I believe. So he's grabbing that car for somebody. But you can see this is the garage, and here's all the valet parking spots that are here. So it says valet parking, only right there. So you do have a very nice valet service. That's a very premium type of service, and you do have that. But in addition, you can park your car by yourself without using the valet anytime too. So that's in here as well. So great garage, and then great valet service too. So very, very nice feature of the Drewery Place. If you have any questions about what you're seeing, just text me. My number's below. Say, hi, Grant. I love what I'm seeing, and I'd love to get some more information about the Drewery Place. Okay, let's go to our next video.